Let g of x equals negative 5x to the third times the quantity x minus 1 squared times the quantity 4 minus 3x. What is the leading term and the y-intercept of g of x? All right, in order to find the leading term, what you need to do is you need to circle the leading term for each factor. However, if a factor is used more than once, like it is here, you circle it that many times. So I have negative 5x cubed, I'm going to circle u. I have x minus 1, all of which is squared, so I'm going to circle that x twice. And be so careful, the leading term for that one is negative 3x. Now what I do with all of these circles is I multiply all 4 of them together. Negative 5x to the third times x times negative 3x. So negative times a negative is a positive. 5 times 3 is 15. X to the third times x times x times x is going to be x to the sixth. That is going to be our leading term. So not u and not u. Now what we do in order to find the y-intercept is you replace every x in here with 0 and then solve. So let me write it out again. Negative 5x cubed times the quantity x minus 1 squared times the quantity 4 minus 3x. And again, rewrite every x with 0 and simplify. So negative 5 times 0 cubed times 0 minus 1 times 4 minus 3 times 0, which is 0. So u becomes 0, you become negative 1, and you become 4. And last time I checked, 0 times anything is just going to equal 0, which means our y-intercept is that. And that's going to be B.